How to change image zoom in Shopify. To do this, we have to go to our product page. So we go to online store here on the left side, and from themes in the drop down menu, we want to go to customize here on the right, and that will take us to a demo version of our site. Just gonna go up here, and from homepage I want to go to products and default product, because that's the template for all our products. And just make sure to have this image selected which you want to edit, and then you just like that. Then you just scroll down here, and where you see top padding and bottom padding, you just want to increase those to whatever you desire. And after that, you click on save here on the top right corner like that, and it will save the changes for you. And now, as you can see, it's a lot more zoomed in. And that's how you change the image zoom in Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.